Pinkfong. Nemo. 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 Wow, this place is amazing! Wait, something is here. Spooky, spooky jungle animals. Spooky, spooky, I'm scared, so scared! We're alone in the deep jungle. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Run, run to the lake. Splish, splash, splash. Let's ride on the raft.
Smack, smack, smack!
Ah, it's a crocodile! Spooky, spooky jungle animals. Spooky, spooky, I'm scared, so scared! We're alone in the deep jungle. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Climb, climb up the tree. 1, 2, 3. No one will find us here. Ah, it's a snake! Spooky, spooky jungle animals. Spooky, spooky, I'm scared, so scared. We're alone in the deep jungle. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Hide, hide in the bush. Swish, swoosh, swoosh. We are safe now.
Chomp, chomp, chomp!
Ah, it's a Venus flytrap! Spooky, spooky jungle animals. Spooky, spooky, I'm scared, so scared. We're alone in the deep jungle. I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. Head, head to the cave. Rush, rush, rush. Let's get some rest.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Ah, it's a gorilla!
We're not that scary. We'll help you find your way back home. Follow us!
Kind and friendly jungle animals. Kind and friendly, we're here to help. Kind and friendly jungle animals. Kind and friendly, we're all friends. Let's find the Jumbled jungle animal sounds. Hi, friends! Are you ready to explore the jungle? What animals do you think live in the jungle? Oh! Friends, did you hear that too?
Oh dear, you were able to hear my quiet movements. I'm the jungle #1 villain, Snake. I'm here to gobble the jungle animals. Everyone who loses their voice under my spell will wither.
Ruff, ruff!
Quack, quack.
Oh no! The animal sounds are all jumbled! Friends, I need your help to find the animals' voices! Really? You'll help me? Thank you!
If you don't find your voice, you'll lose your strength. And then I'm going to eat you up in one bite.
Ruff, ruff!
Let's find the voice of the first jungle animal, crocodile. Bah!
Oink, oink!
Roar!
Is it this one? Bah! Oh no! That must be wrong! Bah! That's it! This is the sound of a fluffy sheep. is hard. Is it this one?
Oink, oink.
One more mistake, and I can eat the crocodile.
No!
Oink, oink.
Yeah, this is a pig's sound.
Should I swallow the tail or the head first?
The snake is getting closer. Hurry, let's find the answer. This is it.
Rawr!
It's the answer.
Oh!
Rawr!
Can you tell me who lives in the jungle?
Growl, growl, it's a crocodile!
A growl here, a growl there. Here a growl, there a growl, everywhere a growl.
A crocodile lives in the green jungle! Rawr!
Hiss! You ruined my meal. You won't be able to disturb me this time.
Quack, quack. Let's find the parrot's voice. Hello.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Is it this one?
Ribbit, ribbit. Hiss!
Oh no, friends. This isn't the answer.
Ribbit, ribbit.
It's the sound of a jumping frog. Then is it this one?
Soon you'll be my delicious meal.
Ugh! I got it wrong! It was the sound of a very fast horse.
Should I make a fancy hat with a parrot's feathers?
Parrot, be careful! The snake is near! Let's see here. It's this one! Hello!
Oh!
I found it! Hello!
Oh!
Can you tell me who lives in the jungle? Hello, hello, it's a parrot. With a hello here and a hello there. Here a hello, there a hello, everywhere a hello. A parrot lives in the green jungle. Hello.
Oh no! You're smarter than I thought! This time will be harder!
Oh no! The picture hint is gone! Friends, let's remember well and find the scary tiger's voice!
Roar!
This is hard! Was it this one? Ah! I don't think that's correct! This is a monkey's voice. We need to find the answer before the snake eats the tiger. Oh, I'm confused. This one or that
scary tiger withers under my spell.
No! It's the sound of a blotchy cow.
Once I eat the tiger, I'll be the king of the jungle.
The snake is squeezing the tiger. Friends, hurry! Quickly! It's this one.
Roar!
Oh,
That's the answer.
no! The king of the jungle is me, I say!
Can you tell me who lives in the jungle?
Roar, roar, it's a scary tiger.
With a
Roar,
roar here and a
roar,
roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar.
Roar, a tiger lives in the green jungle. Roar!
Thank you so much for finding the animal sounds with me, friends.
Roar!
Hello.
Roar!
See you next time. Sing boom body boom boom, boom body boom boom, boom body boom ba boom, boom body boom ba boom.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big gorilla washing his clothes with a swish swash here and a swish swash there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a slithery snake washing his clothes with a swish swash here and a swish swash there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Sing boom body boom boom, boom body boom boom. Sing boom body boom ba boom, boom body boom ba boom.
Down in the jungle where nobody goes, there's a great big crocodile washing his clothes with a swish swash here and a swish swash there. That's the way he washes his clothes.
Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. Boom body boom boom, boogie woogie boo. That's the way he washes his clothes. Hey guys, did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.